Ladies and gentlemen, Diwali is all about the soft flame of Diya. Don't you all think so? How many of you can't imagine Diwali without it? It is Christmas or New Year, which can be imagined while tuning bulbs. But Diwali, no, I can't. Diwali is a timeless charm and recognize the trump of light over darkness. They hold the culture and recognize the They hold the culture and religious importance, connecting us to our roots and heritage. The warm flickering glow of Diya creates an ambience that is unmatched for the unpromised lights. Beyond the culture's significance, Diyas contribute to a sense of community as families come together to light them in festivals. The act of lighting Diyas is a ritual that fosters a togetherness, shared moments, and a deep sense of belonging. While lights may offer convenience and modern aesthetics, they lack the emotion and cultural resonance that diyas carry. Our tradition are a trend, binds generation, and diyas play a crucial role in, weaving through time. In conclusion, the motion to replace diya with lights risks diluting the richness, emotional depth of our cultural celebrations. Let us cherish the tradition of diyas, honor the values they represent, and the emotions they foster. Thank you.